Bawal ba ang political content sa Meta? Bakit delikado ito sa creators? Content creator ka ba na nagbabalak gumawa ng political content? Bago ka mag-post, kailangan mo itong marinig. Kasi may mga political topics na pwedeng mag-cause ng demonetization, reach drop, at minsan total restriction ng page mo. Allowed ba ang political content? Unang tanong, bawal ba? Technically, hindi totally bawal ang political content sa Meta. Pero, at ito ang crucial, highly restricted ito, not eligible for monetization, mas strict ang algorithm at policy check. So, pwede kang mag-post ng tungkol sa politika, pero delikado sa page mo, lalo na kung creator ka na nakafocus sa monetization. Bakit delikado ang political content? Una, sensitive and divisive topic. Political content creates debates, arguments, hate comments, emotional reactions. At ayaw ng Meta for monetization dahil hindi stable at hindi brand safe ang environment. Pangalawa, high risk of misinformation. Kapag mali ang facts, even small errors, pwedeng ma-flag ang content, mabawasan ang page quality, mawala ng monetization tools. Meta has zero tolerance for political misinformation. Pangatlo, target ng trolls at mass reporting. Sa politika, madali kang mai-report. Mai-mass report. Itag as harmful at once na bumaba ang page quality, automatic makakakuha ka ng restriction. At pang-apat, not advertiser friendly. Meta protects advertisers. Ayaw ng brands na ma-associate sa political arguments, biased discussions, controversial issues. Kaya kahit mataas views mo, hindi ka i-monetize dahil unsafe for ads. Ano ang mga specific na political content na bawal o restricted? Number 1, political persuasion. Kapag nagpo-post ka ng vote for this candidate, support this party laban sa ganitong politiko, automatic restricted ka. Pangalawa, election-related claims, lalo na kung hindi verified. Sensitibo, pwedeng mag-cause ng panic or confusion. And number 3, government criticism na may hate speech. Pwede kang i-flag for hate, harassment, inciting violence. At pang-apat, political ads without proper authorization. Kailangan ng special verification para mag-post ng political ads. Kung wala ka nito, violation agad. At pang-5, fake news, conspiracy theories on unverified. This is the fastest way para mawala ang monetization, distribution, even the page itself. So ngayon, alam mo na. Natutulungan ba kita? Please like, follow, and share.